welcome back to my moving diaries. So a new furniture piece arrived today. That's why I'm whipping out my camera and showing you guys. This is actually gonna be my new coffee corner. I'm really excited for it. So yeah, I will take you along. Building it together, setting it up. I'm really looking forward to it and I think it's gonna be looking great. At least I hope so, fingers crossed. Yes, so really excited for that. And also this week, maybe we're lucky, or I'm lucky, and few more bits arrive. For example, a lamp that I bought, I think in November, mid-November, and I still don't have it. So we're still waiting for that. Fingers crossed it's gonna arrive this week because this would be so nice to include in this little video. But otherwise, I'm going to show you how my coffee corner will set up and how it will be looking like. So here's the big box. I ordered this from Belliani and it's a little sideboard to go actually right here where the box is standing besides my couch. Yeah, and it's a little sideboard with rounded edges in dark brown wood, which fits the scheme and the vibe I'm going for perfectly. I hope the color is nice and I hope it's gonna look nice in the space, but we'll see, and I will definitely be showing you how it's gonna look like. Okay, so I tried to unbox this thing, but it's a bit too big and a bit too heavy. Who would have thought? I personally thought I could be able to do it on my own without any help, but I think I do need help for this, so I think I have to wait a few more hours till my boyfriend is here. It helps me. Okay, so I managed to get everything out of the box. This is how it's looking like right now. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, how it's gonna look like build up. I will keep you updated. Okay, so turns out for this sideboard, you do need two people to set it up. So I just unpacked it and now we will wait till my boyfriend has time to do it with me. I think it's because of the rounded edges and this makes it a bit more complicated. But yeah, so we have to do it together. Look what's built up. So my boyfriend helped me today, it's the next day, to build up this little sideboard and it's ready now. And right now it looks kind of lost, I feel like, but there will be more furniture joining this corner. So yeah, that's definitely not the end interior design things for this corner, but it's done and it looks really nice. And I am planning to put some shelves on top of it for like some cups or things for display. But I'm unsure if I should be having them in a dark brown color or in a like chrome silver color, because I think the chrome and silver does look really nice and cool. It has like this cool vibe, but I'm unsure. So you guys can leave your suggestion in the comments down below if you want to, and would help me out. And yes, now I'm going to set up my new little coffee corner. I'm so excited because the coffee machine will fit there perfectly. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So I just put the first things on my little coffee corner, which is my coffee machine, and it fits perfectly this way. And there's also a bit space, so that's absolutely amazing how I envisioned it. And then my little tray with like my capsules and also matcha supplies and my little cup. And now I need to fill in these shelves down here. I'm not exactly sure what to put here. So I will figure that out. But for now, this is the first little glimpse of how it's looking like. And I think it looks really nice and also really chic. So another thing that arrived from my apartment are these cuties. They actually go on my curtain rail at the ends, and I will unpack one of them so you can see better. They look like this, and they're, I think, ceramic, and I think they fit the vibe of my apartment really well. They're really cute. And IKEA actually did not have any better options than this one. But I think it looks quite cute, and yeah, finally was able to get them because they were sold out for weeks, if not months. So really excited to put them on my curtains. Okay, so this is the design I went for. I think it looks really classic and minimalistic and a little bit of like this luxurious kind of way. I think it's really nice and I'm really excited to use all of these. Yeah, so I don't know which one you liked better, but I decided on this one. And I'm really happy with my choice. And I do have a set of 6, so I have 6 pieces of all of these. It's like a small plate, a little bowl, then a soup bowl, and a big plate. And yeah, so that's definitely enough for me, or if I invite some friends over. So yeah, I think it's really nice, really chic, and I'm really happy with it. So excited to use it. My lamp arrived. I really did not think this would be happening this week, but it did. So let's unbox it together. I'm really looking forward to this lamp and I really hope that it works. Because if it doesn't, I will be really disappointed because this is actually a designer lamp. It's a Louis Poulsen. It's a Pentella 160 and yeah, so this is her. Let's take her out. Comes in this cute little dust bag. And you will see the color I chose in a second too. You can guess right now which color I got. If you know me well enough, you will probably guess right. But let's see. Yeah, it's the right one. So I got this cutesy beigey off-white color. I think it's really classic and it's such a warm color tone, so I think she looks really pretty. Now I have to see if she works. This is the hardcore test now. Does she work? She works! You can imagine how happy I am that this lamp actually works. That's so cute! Yeah, and you can like adjust the brightness. I mean, it's in the middle of the day right now, so you can't really tell, but it's so cute. You do not know how long I have been waiting for this lamp to arrive and to work. That's insane. And now I can put it pretty much everywhere where I need a little bit of light, and that's gonna be so nice. Yeah, I'm really happy. This is my new lamp and finally arrived. so this was episode 3 of my moving diaries. I really hope you enjoyed this video and the pieces I got. I really love the pieces that moved in this vlog. So yeah, but stay tuned. There are a few more episodes to come because my living room is still half empty. So I'm missing things like big cabinets, maybe another table, maybe a carpet. So there are some episodes left. Stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when they will come online or when I will choose the furniture that I still need. But for now, I'm really happy in my little apartment, and yeah, we'll see what else will move into my apartment sooner or later. I will take you along with me, of course, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!